Hello everyone. On this video we're gonna see how you can download VS Code and write your first code on VS Code. I mean Visual Studio. Okay. For that you first of all you're gonna need a browser. For me it's Chrome. You can download any browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. It's perfectly fine. And just I'm going to my Chrome browser and search VS Code download. Okay, and you'll see download Visual Studio Code at the first row, and I'm clicking on this and it will show you three different category: Windows, Tab, RPM and Mac. So for me it's Windows, so I'm clicking on Windows 10 11. Okay, after that a pop-up window will come right in front of you, and if you press start download it will gonna start. But if you don't have IDM, Internet Download Manager, then these things may not come to your PC. First of all you have to download IDM, Internet Download Manager. Okay, I will gonna talk about it in another video. Now I'm pressing start download. Okay, my Visual Studio has downloaded, and now I'm just right clicking on Visual Studio. Okay, you'll see a interface like this one. Okay, it's maybe a little bit different from my interface is a little bit different from yours, just because I have downloaded VS Code earlier, a lot ago, so I've done some works and that's why it's different from you. But it's not a big deal. Okay, you will going to understand step by step. Okay, right now I'm just going to my file explorer. Okay, then I'm going to my local new volume. Oh, I've created a partition in my hard drive, just because I want to keep my programming things separated from my common things. That's why make a partition in my local disk. Okay, you can also do this, but it's not a big deal. And I have a video on that, how you can make a partition like mine. Okay, after clicking on my new volume, I'm just creating a folder here. Okay, just press on this new and add folder. Okay, I'm just adding a new folder. Okay, I'm just naming it new folder as it is and pressing OK. Now click on this new folder. I'm adding a file here. Okay, this folder is empty, and after clicking on this folder I'm adding a new file here. Okay, now press this text document. After pressing on new you will see text document. Okay, I'm just clicking on this text document. Okay, you are right now you're seeing there's a extension right after the text document. It's just we are going to change its extension to .html. If you don't see this extension on your file, then you can go to view, and after this you are going to show, and you will see file name extension just like this, and just check this file name extension, and after checking this you will see this extension .txt right after your file. Okay, now okay, I'm just renaming this file now, and I'm changing its extension to .html. Okay, okay, I found this name. Okay, I'm just changing it. Okay, then I'm just changing its extension to .html. Okay, now enter, and it's just saying if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I just want to change its extension and press yes. Now you're saying that there's a file type has been changed, and there's a icon of Chrome browser. That means this file requires Chrome browser to open. If you don't have Chrome browser, maybe you have another browsers, and this icon may change according to yours. But if you want to change to it Chrome browser, then right click on it, and then okay, then you can go to open it, and then you will see a lot of options: Google Chrome, Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and there's a lot. Okay, now I'm just opening this file with Visual Studio Code. Okay, but remember, if you want to edit this file, you have to open it with VS Code, or if you want to execute the file, run the file, then you have to open it uh, in Chrome browser. Okay, so right now I just want to edit this file, that's why I'm opening it with VS Code. Okay, then it's saying that do you trust this PC? Yeah, okay, I trust this. Open. Now you're saying that you're seeing that new folder, new text document has opened. Okay, new text document has opened from new folder. Okay, and just right here I just am writing my first code. Okay, I just dummy text. No, I don't want code to be a tag. I just want code. Okay, my first code. Okay, it's basically code is a tag, that's why it's got color, but it's not a big deal. Okay, I'm just changing it a little bit. My first web page. Okay, after this I'm just pressing Ctrl S. Okay, now the change the code I have right here, I've written here, has been changed to my new text document. Okay, do you want to see? Then just go to File Explorer and Home. I'm going to my new volume. Okay, new folder, new text document, and okay, these just say it my first web page. Okay, so we finally you have written your first code. Congratulations. Okay, this code has been opened to Chrome browser. Okay, this is my Chrome browser interface, my first web page. Okay, just again uh, clicking my VS code, and I'm just showing another way to write this code. Go to file, and you'll see open folder. Okay, just right click here, and you will see new folder. Okay, oh sorry, you'll see new folder, and just click select folder. Okay, now you're saying that new text document has been opened. You can do this just like this way. Okay, with just welcome message, you can just cross it. Okay, and new text document. Okay, my first web page, you're seeing that. Okay, just I'm writing another line of code here. Just for say I just want to bold text. Okay, I just want to make my first web page this line a bit bolded. Okay, so that's why we need which tag v. Okay, my you just right click on v and press the enter. The whole thing VS code will going to do the rest for you. Okay, my name is John Doe. Okay, I'm just pressing enter. Okay, then I can click Ctrl plus S. Now the code you have written here has been changed to your file. And again, go to file. You can run this code from here also. Okay, just right click on it, and okay, and then you can see reveal in file explorer option. Okay, just now you can press here, and it's just like you are just it will gonna redirect you in your file manager. Okay, just I'm right clicking it, and see my first web page, my name is John Doe. Just you're seeing the difference. My first web page is normal and my name is John Doe has been bolded just because we have used b tag here. Okay, congratulations, you have written your very first code. If you want to follow this channel, then if you want to follow my tutorials, then subscribe this channel.